The government has just published their much anticipated integrated rail plan, outlining their plans for transport improvements in the North and the Midlands. So what are they planning? In regard to HS2, the government is planning to construct the western leg up to Manchester from Crewe and a small spur from West Midlands near Birmingham to the East Midlands Parkway. And in regard to Northern Powerhouse Rail, the government is planning to construct a new high-speed line between Warrington, Manchester and the core of the Trans-Pennine Express main line. Now, in terms of upgrades, the entire Trans-Pennine main line is planned to be electrified. This will enable electric trains to operate using the entire route, which will be able to provide better service. In addition, the section of the Calder Valley line between Bradford and Leeds is going to be electrified to provide improvements to the services on the line. As well as this, the Midland main line is set to be upgraded and electrified between London, St Pancras, the East Midlands and Sheffield to again improve services. And the government is again also planning more upgrades to the East Coast Main Line to improve its service on the East Coast Main Line as well. Then finally, they tout funding for improvements to local services, this including the development of the West Yorkshire mass transit system, the introduction of contactless ticketing on commuter routes, and continued investment at Totton and the East Midlands, and completion of upgrades to the Hope Valley line. In conclusion, the upgrades and the investment that are being provided by the integrated rail plan will provide a nice benefit in the North and the Midlands, and this investment hopefully shows the start of wider investment in the North and the Midlands to provide more interconnectivity, though the lack of the adoption of the Northern Powerhouse Rail has caused a bit of annoyance, as Bradford will not receive a through connection and will continue to remain an extremely poor connected city. Thanks for watching, I really do hope you've enjoyed, and goodbye.